pitch, speed, and tempo. So from here, we will start and let you know what I mean. Sorry. So let's do some recordings and see. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. So let's play it and let's see how it looks like. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Again. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Yes. So as it is now, we're going to apply the effect on it. So you can start by doing Ctrl A to select all on your keyboard, or I can Ctrl A to keyboard, or I can select some part here, or better still, I can go to this place, select all, and it will be selected. So now that it has been selected, I can apply the effect. But let me on select first. So as I select, if I try to apply effect on, let's say, on the speed, there will be error saying that I should select. So let me select. So like I said, you can select by Ctrl A on the keyboard, or I can use this side to select some part, or better still, I can go here and select all. So as I select all now, let me go to the effect and apply the speed. So the speed, so here there are boxes, two boxes here, multiply speed and then the percentage change. So now as it is now, we can do some adjustment here. So this is 100% and this is twice the thing. So if I put it 100% and this is twice, let's see how it looks like. Yes, it's shortening it, and let me play it and see how it looks like.
Testing mic 1, 2, 3.
Again.
Testing mic 1, 2, 3.
Now it has raised my tempo. So let me undo it and play it again to the normal. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Alright, so let me apply the effect this again, the speed again, and this time around I reduce it from the 100 to say 50%. Alright, so this is 50%. And let's see how it will play.
Testing mic 1, 2, 3.
Again.
Testing mic 1, 2, 3.
So this one is a little bit lower than the one I did initially. Alright, so let me undo it again. And then Ctrl C on my computer and play Ctrl V. So all of them will be playing normal. Let me start and let's see. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Alright, so this second one, I want to apply the tempo. So effect, tempo. So the tempo now is 100, the percentage. So let me put it like say 150 and see how it looks like. Alright. So as I change the tempo to 150, let's see how it will be played. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Again. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Alright. So let me double click this one also and change this one the speed. Let me change that one also to 150%. Okay, so let me play that one too and see.
Testing mic 1, 2, 3.
Again.
Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Testing mic 1, 2, 3.
So let me play the both and see.
Testing mic 1, 2, 3.
Testing mic 1, 2, 3. All right. So let me Ctrl V to paste another one. So this one is normal. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Let me apply the effect on the pitch on it. All right. So the pitch. Let's say the percentage change is 125, which is very huge. So I want to make it around, let's say, if I bring it to 100, I bring it to 0, for instance. For instance, that would be normal. Nothing will be played. And then if I play it, you see it is testing mic 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So let me apply the effect again on the pitch. All right. So I want to increase the, or I can still increase it to, let's say, 20. Okay, and let's see how it looks like. And I'll play it and see. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Again. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. So you can see that from the pitch, it does maintain the length. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Yeah, but listen to this one.
Testing mic 1, 2, 3.
And then this one too. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and then see the pitch. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so you can play with it and see the difference on how well the speed, the tempo, and then the pitch. Play around and see it. All right, so let me show you another one also. Let's say audio music, and then we have this music, for instance. So we want to change it. Okay. Before the example I want to check is this one is too loud. So let me first of all bring it down. So to the illustration. So I bring it down like this. And then let me play it and see how it looks like. Alright, so as it is now, let's say we have this the key, like say F. I want to change it from to G. So let me select it and then apply the effect. The effect on, say, the pitch. Let's say we are changing it from F to G, and then maintain this and then click. See, rendering. Yeah, but it's still big, so I will still have to bring the volume down, and then let's test this and see. And I'll undo it and see how the first one was. Let me bring the volume down again. Alright, so this is the difference. As it is now, you can try and check from the tempo, the speed, and the pitch, and then you see how things work like. So this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. So try subscribe and click on the subscribe button as always, so that the next uploading video you receive it. So share a comment and let's to the social media and let's hear what you say. So see you in